Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is a family favourite, sweet and sour vegetables. Easy to make, tasty to eat. When I say easy, I mean it's so easy even my daughters could do it. They don't, but they could. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. You can of course use any vegetables you like in this recipe. We're using in ours red onion, carrots, baby sweet corn, mange tout, mushrooms and green and red pepper. Just cut them into suitably sized pieces so they cook evenly. But before you start cooking, prepare the sweet and sour sauce. Put the sugar, corn flour, vinegar and ketchup into a bowl and thoroughly mix together. And when this is prepared, you're ready to cook. And to do this, simply heat the oil in a suitable sized frying pan until it's really hot, then add in the vegetables. Then continue to cook over a high heat till the vegetables just start to soften and the edges take on some colour. When this is achieved, it's in with the prepared sauce. And continue to cook until the sauce thickens. If you find the sauce is a bit too thick, add a splash of water. Then when the sauce is the consistency you want and the vegetables have lost their rawness, it's ready to serve. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Like I said, it's easy to cook and tasty to eat. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.